Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you a new feature of Google BARD, that is Google Extensions. So you go to this Google Extensions and you can see all the extensions which are enabled. So you can enable or disable them. So how to use it? So let's say you press @ and you get list of all the extensions. You press the extensions you want to use. Now I have given a prompt to show me the latest tech videos for the smartphones from different YouTubers, and let's see the results. So I got this iPhone 15, yeah. So I can press the play and I can see
for results,
the
understandably.
video
Now,
here.
when you
If I don't like this one, I can check a different video from MKBHD.
All right, so this is an iPhone 15. Have it.
So that's pretty impressive to have a YouTube interface directly into the Google BARD. So now you can have it to chat with your documents and with your Gmail. And let's see for the Gmail. So in the same way, you can press Gmail, and let's see I want to do with the latest emails with job related, and let's see what were the latest emails, and it's going to pull this information using my Gmail. You see the Java developer and software developer and backend and full stack and everything from my emails. And you can just say, let's give me professional reply to the first email. So it's going to give me a professional reply to the first email. So let's see. So it has already extracted all the context it needs. So thank you for offering my job, and I can just press this and draft in my Gmail, and it's ready to send it. So now let's hit, and you can use it as a search for your Google Docs. And let's see Google Docs, and you can search in your Google Docs for, let's say I'm searching for any Python or C++ or coding related documents, and I want to pull some information which I had in my Google Docs and I want to research through, and it's going to pull all the information. And you see these in the code which was taken from my Google Documents here, and it's going to show me all the documents which are present here to produce these informations from using my Google Documents. So that's pretty handy to use a Google Document search engine, and it's also searched from your Google Drive. Now let's move it to the most important feature which people have been using for planning trips. So let's say I want to plan a trip to Germany for 1 week, and I want to see all the flights, and I want to see all the hotels. I want to book them from my location. So let's see how it works. It's going to use Google Hotels and Google Flights for this, and it's going to pull the information. You can see all the information here. I found some of the flights here. You can find more information to the Google Flights, and somehow it switched to the local language, the Arabic here. You can see the Google Flights here and the Google Flights here and Google Hotels here. So it's a very nice interface here, and the Google Hotels you can already check here, and the hotel to the Germany here. It also showing me the Germany hotel and the hotels in Abu Dhabi. So I can just click it and it goes to a 5-star hotel in Berlin. So that's pretty nice to have all the information for your trip planning. So Bing AI has already been doing this, but it's good to see the Google has been leveling up their game into this, and it's pretty to have this nice feature with this nice up-to-date information with Google Maps and other Google applications. So that was all it for the Google BARD update, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.